Assalamualaikum and hi, hello everybody. Hope everybody is doing good. I'm back again. Today I am going to show you these pencils. The pictures are already posted. The pictures are already posted on our Instagram and on Facebook page. So let me show you how these pencils are. These are very smooth, and let me just show you the smoothness of these pencils. These are standard size pencils. You can see them that I'm holding them in my hand. Okay, these are all the shades of nude pinks. These are matte. Okay, now let me tell you, the brand is Niab Rock. This is how it looks. I hope the video quality is good. On my side, it seems okay. Anyway, I always post the pictures and the video later on as well. Just see the smoothness. Single swipe. Check out the color, and there is little glitter in it. Very smooth to apply. You can use them as lip liners, you can use them as lipsticks. It's totally up to you. Iram Batul, hi, how are you, Iram? I just saw one message now. There are 6 in this pack. I'll show you all the 6 colors one by one. They all are different colors. They may look a little similar right now because of the video, because on Facebook when you go live, the normal camera, I'm using a normal camera, the quality is not very high. So I'll post the pictures also so that you can see the color difference. But again, these are all shades of pinks. You can use them as lipsticks, as lip pencils. It's totally up to you. But these are very smooth to apply. Should I do it over here? Yeah, I think I should do it over here. Yes. I think I should do this one over here, because then when I take the picture, it's going to be easier for me to take the picture as well. So you see the pigmentation is really good. These are not dry tips. The tips are not dry. These are soft, creamy kind of pencils. There you can see the color. They're smooth to apply. You can see the pigmentation. Just one stroke and the color is there. And the base is matte. Actually, why am I calling them matte? Because the base is matte, but there is little glitter, very tiny glitter particles mixed in the base. It's not that it's going to give you a very glittery kind of look or a very glossy kind of look. It's going to give you a matte, smooth effect, but little shine on it. Let me just do something over here. Like, where should I do it? Should do it over here. This is how it's going to look if you use it as a lipstick. So you see, if you use it as a lipstick, how much glitter do you see over there? Not much. Again, I'll post the pictures so that you can see the glitter effect. So you can inbox to book your order. Cash on delivery service is available. No extra delivery or courier charges. Delivery is possible within 4 to 5 days. So that's it, I guess. Stay tuned for more products and do follow us on our Instagram account, that is Sophia Collection 1. I'll just show you the account in case you're not following over there. Let me just get to the Instagram while you check this sample on my hand, how it looks. Okay, Sophia Collection 1. This is the logo. Sophia, the same logo over there. You just have to write Sophia Collection 1. Sophia Collection 1. Yes. Sophia Collection 1. You see it here? It's over here. Sophia Collection 1. This is our logo. These are the posts. So I've posted these also over there. Is it this one? Yeah. So you can inbox to book your order. Cash on delivery service is available. Pack of 6 is available. It's a pack of 6. These are not waterproof, but yes, these are longer wear. You see the color is still there. It did not run out or it did not bleed out. It's still there. Stay tuned for more products and have a great day, everyone. Love you all.